Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel, Pending the Real Meal. Today we are on episode 3 and we are on our way to
Vietnam.
I am Simone
And I'm Jacqueline.
and we'd like for you to just like, comment, share and subscribe. I guess why we started this channel was because we can't go anywhere and I've always wanted to go places. She's been to a few. But yeah, I think we just want to explore with our taste buds because that's probably what we'll be doing in the countries anyways. So we actually plan to do about 4 to 5 meals each week. It could be side dishes, main dishes, desserts, drinks, just anything that we have seen or read up on that is distinctive to that country. During this time, we may or may not refer to some of the more main ingredients that we have never tried out before. So you can definitely stick around for that because we have a few this week, I would say.
Right, quite a few.
Yeah.
The last 2 weeks, we actually did Thailand the first week, Philippines the second week, and this week we're going to Vietnam. So stay tuned.
Alright, so here we have traditional, well, kind of traditional pho. We made it with shrimp as opposed to like a beef that they would normally use. This is what I think this is their national dish, and what is it made of?
Right, so there's a soup or a broth, a ginger broth, which is made with, of course, ginger, cardamom pods, cinnamon sticks, star anise, some fish sauce, of course. This is like one of these key ingredients that seems to be common among all the Asian dishes, and some cloves. So once we put all of that together, the fragrance was really awesome. The fragrance was just different from anything that I've ever smelled in food. So I'm looking forward to how it tastes.
Yeah, let's dig in. Let's dig in. Yeah, it's just as fragrant as it smells.
It's very good, and it reminds me of something I've had at the Chinese restaurants in Jamaica. Really, really nice. One of the interesting facts about this meal is that the noodles and the meat is not normally cooked. It's the hot soup that cooks the meat and the noodles. And so, and then the other thing that they do as well is that they garnish it. And you'll see the garnish in the pictures. The scallion and some cilantro, some basil, and limes. So it's really very good, isn't it? Right, so we have 2 meals here. One is the chaka, and one is a broccoli dish, which is the name is going to be displayed on the screen because I don't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah, it's actually not made of broccoli in their traditional sense. It would be made of water spinach.
Right.
This is as close to it as we thought we could get.
Right.
And we chose monkfish. That was the recommended fish because it's a thick fish that won't break up, and that was correct. I cut it into small pieces, marinated it in shrimp paste, galangal paste. I couldn't get the galangal sticks themselves, and a number of other seasoning, fish sauce. You can check the recipe below. So having marinated it for 30 minutes, I then fried it in hot oil and took that out. Then I fried the scallion and the dill, and then put the fish back in.
So this is what it's looking like, and you'll probably see a picture of it coming up. With the broccoli was much easier. It was just some the oyster sauce, fish sauce, garlic, and salt and pepper, of course. So yeah, so we're gonna know. Taste.
Oh, and
There's actually this is the dipping sauce.
Yes,
as
the
well.
dipping sauce with lime juice and some
And
other
this is for
spices.
the chaka.
Yes.
Yeah.
For the fish.
the fish dish.
Okay.
So we're
So
gonna
we'll taste it now. Taste mine without it first. Flavors are very different from anything I've ever tasted. It's very nice.
Yeah, it's definitely something I'd eat again. That's really good.
The lime
Wow.
juice brought up the flavors. You like the broccoli?
Wow, broccoli is good. I would have loved to have had it as a water spinach to see how that is. Like maybe the texture is slightly different, but
We have to find an Asian
it's pretty good.
market.
Okay, and now we are about to try the banana coconut tapioca dessert.
Right.
It does not look how it's supposed to look. Who knows if it's gonna taste how it's supposed to taste? It was supposed to be like a clearer tapioca pearl, but I just ended up buying the black one, not realizing. So we shall see. I think there's some other things that might have been swapped out as well.
Well, as long as the banana, the coconut is in there, which I know.
And I think it's a bit sweet, but we shall see.
What's this black thing, Simone?
Those are the tapioca pearls.
Oh, okay.
Very sweet.
It's a dessert. Desserts are sweet.
It's not as bad as I think I thought it was gonna be. Mainly because I just don't think it's a reflection of what the recipe was saying.
We remember last week when you were having that dessert, you said it tasted like porridge, right?
Mm-hmm.
And this one has that same sort of
Vibe.
yes.
But it doesn't taste as porridgey.
Yeah, it has more other things in there.
Okay, and now we are back with the last thing, the last item, which is actually just coconut water. In Jamaica, we drink coconut water all the time, so
All the time.
fascinating to see if this box of coconut water, I'm not going to show you unless it actually tastes good, but it would be very, very interesting to see if this coconut water tastes anything like
Real
a
coconut water.
Yeah, so let's try it. It tastes like it's from a green coconut, like a younger coconut.
Is it influenced by the flavor of the dessert we're having?
I don't.
Let me try again.
It tastes like a very long coconut, and it tastes tastes like the husk. You know, when it has that
That's true.
taste. It's honestly quite
It's
close
one of the
to
best
what
ones I've had.
coconut water tastes like, definitely.
Because the can one doesn't have, to me, it doesn't have
Like it has
taste
an
at all.
artificial sweetener
Right.
in the can
This is
one.
pretty
This one
good.
is pretty
This is out of a
natural
box,
tasting.
out of a carton, so probably that's the reason.
Alright, so I'll show you because it wasn't too bad if you want to go check it out yourself. So this is Foco coconut water. I don't know if you can see it, but Foco coconut water.
And it does say Vietnam on the back.
Oh, it does?
Yes. See, product of Vietnam.
Oh, that's kind of cool. But yeah, so we're having Vietnamese coconut water today. goodbye Vietnam. Yeah, but honestly, what did you find to be the best thing today?
Well, I liked everything. I don't know, all the dishes were flavorful, really full of flavor, and different kind of flavors from what I'm accustomed to. And but I think my favorite would be the fish.
Yeah.
The chaka.
Mine too.
Yes. The broccoli would
that's definitely
very
high
close
up there,
second.
So very, and
the soup was pretty good. It was I mean, I can imagine when we go to Vietnam that we're going to have it tasting totally different, but you know, it was a good try, I thought. And the dessert, I had all of mine. I mean, it you know, the different textures. So the tapioca pods, and then the cashew and the nuts, and then sesame seeds. Really, really nice. So again, without going to Vietnam, we enjoyed being in Vietnam. Coconut water and all.
So we have pretty much done Vietnam. As you said, we'd love to go there one day, but for now, eating this meal, I think, kind of took us there.
It did.
It's quite
it
fun.
did, the flavors.
So, if you want to know what will happen next week, then please just be free to join us next week. But for now, if you'd like to just like, share, subscribe, you know, we are on our way to
Vietnam.
No, we're not.
Oh, sorry.